Here in this video, we'll see how we can get collaborator access code to share your website access to someone else. Like when you want to make some change in a website and you want to do it, some developer want to make changes on your website. He asks to you about your collaborator access code. So where do you get it? First, you need to log into your admin dashboard of Shopify. Here I'm logging. Now to get the collaborator code, go on setting. Here in users and permission, click on it. Scroll down here. When you scroll down, you see collaborator option, and there you can see collaborator request code. So that's how you can get collaborator request code and share to someone that can ask for access of your website. Then he can request the access, and after that you need to approve that request, then only it will work. So that's how very easily you can get collaborator request code. That's all you can. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.